try this again. Hopefully. Same security guard still here. So we'll see how this goes. We did it. If you think I'm flying my drone, you are correct. There's gotta be cameras. This is bullshit. Maybe we'll drop a bolt down there. Fuck it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit. That was like 4 seconds. I don't know why that plate is there. Probably should have did it in that one. It's like some sort of processor. And here we are. Ooh. What in the fuck is that? There's a dead deer in here too. There. I don't know how deep that is. Suspicious. So someone must have been shooting guns down here based on the can over there. Just a little stroll. There's about a mile left.